One white shirt, three different looks. Work, weekend, and date night. Let's make that basic piece do more for you. Hi everyone, at Style Whisperers, we are here to make your wardrobe smart and simple. Today we are styling a basic white shirt in a budget-friendly, comfy, and totally versatile way. So let's show you how it can take you from office hours to after hours. Look 1. Work ready. We have paired the shirt with tailored trousers and a structured blazer. Add a neutral tote and clean loafers, and you're giving effortless boss energy without trying too hard. Bonus, you stay comfy through long meetings. Talking about our second look, which is casual cool. This is your go to weekend vibe. Slouchy denim, clean sneakers, and a cap for that touch of chill. The shirt makes the whole thing feel pulled together without feeling forced. Next up, we have look 3, the evening switch. Same shirt, now tucked into a silky midi skirt with heels and layered gold. Swap in a clutch, and you have got a whole dinner and drinks moment with zero stress. Want to stretch your basics? Stick with neutral, layer wisely, and don't underestimate accessories. The right bag or belt can completely change the vibe. Which look would you actually wear? Drop it in the comments below. And if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our last video on reality versus online shopping. Bye.